Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration for National Pink Day, which is on June 23rd. Be sure to check out all of these ladies and show them some love. The first shade I'm going to use is A5 on a JS8 brush. I'm going to apply that shade to my crease and the outer and inner portion of my lid. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M321 brush with the same shade and deepen it up a little. Taking D3 on a Morphe JH35 brush, I'm going to blend out A5. Taking C3 on a Morphe JH38 brush, I'm going to apply it into my inner corner. With my Morphe concealer on a concealer brush, I'm going to apply it to the center of my lid. I'm going to use A5 on a JH48 brush and apply it where I put my concealer. Using my Morphe M321, I'm going to take that first shade and blend out the other A5. I'm going to apply E3 to my lower lash line. I'm going to apply my Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner and my Amofa.O Club Mascara from Wonder Beauty. Then I applied the Glamnetic Lust Lash. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button.